The following shows the replacement of the sealing packaging group and crosshead cylinder gathering of the first and second cylinders. First, loosen the nut on the mid-body to separate the mid-body. Remove the two bolts on the mid-body. Remove mid-body window. Then you can see all the nuts and gaskets of the piston rod. Remove gasket with a wrench. There are two gaskets. The small one is on the bottom and the big one is on the top. The removed part must be properly kept. These are the two types of gaskets. Fourth, the parameter of each stage cylinders are different, so the gaskets are different, and the positions are different, so the primary and secondary gaskets need to be separately kept as they are different. Fifth, loosen the middle nut. Release the piston and the rod and remove it. Rotate and disassemble, so the mid-body will be taken off. So this is the distance piece. Sealing packing group is in the distance piece. So this is the distance piece. Sealing packing group is in the distance piece. Later, I will show how to replace the sealing packing group. Next, we release the crosshead cylinder. Also, please take care of the nuts and the gasket. Then, pull out the crosshead cylinder. Now you see a crosshead. The crosshead has two guide rings. Eight, replace the crosshead cylinder guide ring. It is similar as replacing the guide ring of a piston. 9. The open points of the guide ring should in the opposite position. One in front, one in back.